A brief history of Woodstock House and Gardens. Nestled in the heart of County Kilkenny, Ireland, Woodstock House and Gardens is a captivating testament to the grandeur of 18th century estate life and the enduring legacy of horticultural artistry. With sweeping views over the River Nore, the estate has witnessed a rich tapestry of history, from aristocratic opulence to wartime hardship and quiet revival. Origins and ascendancy. Woodstock House was built in 1745 by Francis Bindon, a prominent Irish architect and portrait painter. Commissioned by Sir William Fownes, the Palladian-style mansion was designed to symbolize the power and refinement of the Anglo-Irish gentry. Over time, the Fownes family became Fownes Tighe through marriage, and they would go on to shape the house and its gardens for more than 2 centuries. In the 19th century, under the stewardship of Lady Louisa Tighe and her son William Frederick Tighe, the estate blossomed into one of Ireland's most celebrated garden landscapes. Inspired by European trends, Lady Louisa worked with head gardener Pierce Butler to develop terraced gardens, an extensive arboretum, formal parterres, and a unique winter garden with exotic plantings sourced from around the world. The arboretum, now mature, includes rare species of cedar, cypress, and redwood, marking Woodstock as a horticultural gem. Decline and destruction, 20th century. Like many of Ireland's great estates, Woodstock did not escape the turbulence of the early 20th century. The political upheaval surrounding Irish independence and the Anglo-Irish War brought tragedy to its doorstep. In 1922, during the Irish Civil War, the house was burned by Republican forces, part of a broader campaign targeting symbols of British rule. Though the shell of the house remained, it was never restored to its former glory. After its destruction, the estate fell into decline, the gardens became overgrown, and nature slowly reclaimed the once grand terraces. Nonetheless, vestiges of its past, elegant staircases, ornate ironwork, and avenues of towering trees hinted at its former magnificence. Restoration and Renaissance, 1990s present. The late 20th century brought a new chapter. In the 1990s, Kilkenny County Council, supported by other local initiatives, undertook the ambitious task of restoring Woodstock's gardens. Meticulously researched and sensitively executed, the project aimed to recover the Victorian layout and plantings while preserving the estate's natural beauty and historical depth. Today, visitors can explore the lovingly restored walled garden, the tranquil rose garden, monkey puzzle avenues, the noble arboretum, and remnants of the house itself. Interpretive signage and guided tours bring the estate's layered history to life, while the gardens remain a place of reflection, beauty, and discovery. Legacy and significance. Woodstock House and Gardens is more than a relic of the past. It is a symbol of resilience and renewal. It reflects the complex history of Ireland itself, aristocratic ambition, colonial legacy, political struggle, and cultural rebirth. As one of Ireland's finest restored Victorian gardens, it continues to inspire horticulturists, historians, and casual visitors alike. Amid ancient trees and blooming terraces, Woodstock whispers stories of grandeur and loss, ruin and revival, a living archive of Irish heritage.